All right, so I'm not trying to go too crazy on the chest press today. I just want to touch a little something. I've been using the Smith machine a lot, which, as you guys know, is like the less intense of the options. You always go way heavier on the Smith, but there's nothing wrong with the Smith. It helps build strength, helps build confidence. Not have to worry about stabilization, just push. But I need to focus on stabilization, so I'm going to take my time, working my way up. Let's see what we got. See how it feels before I go up further. Not bad, not bad. I want to save it for what my max effort is. Probably a quarter on there. Let's do a 25. Alrighty. Probably my PR for today. I'm just gonna go for an easy one, easy single, and we'll chill out.